Hello everyone, I'm now here near the beach, beautiful mountain there and some mountain here, restaurant, construction things going on. So I think important is we can meditate anywhere, anytime. So actually we don't have to do anything. You just be present, whatever you are and whoever you are. So now I hear the noise from the construction. I can be present with the sound. Become sound meditation, some music there. I can smell something, coffee and the drinks. You can be with the smell. Oh, wind. Sensation is very nice, pleasant sensation. The wind blows to my body. And nice view. The beach. And people are enjoying and see the mountain. Very nice. There's a wonderful mountain there. So important is just being with the presence. If you are happy, sometimes not happy, anxiety, thinking too much, stress. Like one time couple came to me and they said, they're arguing all the time. Argue at home and they both are kind of like CEO, go to workplace, argue with the colleagues, complain with the staffs. And they said, I want to change this feeling of argument. And they asked me to bless. And they're expecting like special blessing. I pray for them and next day, no argue at all. I say, no, I don't have that blessing. But I told them, I can give you some special technique. And they both said very happy. Technique is catch the moment of feeling of arguing. So there's feeling of urge or feeling of sensation in the body, something is rising, the moment. Just catch. Oh, I'm feeling argue. Oh, I'm arguing again. What is sensation in my body? Just few seconds only. They said, well, this is too simple. I don't know if it works or not. They try so many things, went to the psychologist, therapist, doesn't work. And I haven't met them for 1 or 2 years. 2 years later, they come back to me. They said, now they can catch 1 second, just 1 second. Before the urge to argue, they catch 1 second. And that 1 second changed their life. And so it's really beneficial. And this 1 second, you can practice anytime, anywhere. Thank you.